I got a nice short one again this week. I just wanted to show you a quick and very inexpensive, easy way to kind of up your branding and packaging game a little bit. So these are the little bags that I put all of my wallets, all of my keychains, things like that into. It's a nice little sort of, I haven't stamped this one yet, but it's a nice little product for people, that your customers, to have. You know, if they end up being packaged in something like paper or cardboard or bubble wrap or whatever, they're just going to chuck it in the recycling and they're never going to look at it again. But if you take the time to throw it in something like this, you know, you've left your customer with something they could put change into, you know, little odds and ends, whatever. It's a reusable little bag that they have around that has your branding on it. So it always kind of keeps, you know, your brand, your logo and whatnot in the back of their mind a little bit. And I'm going to show you how it's done. Super simple. I buy these packs of bags from a company called Creative Bag Inc. They're quite inexpensive. They come in packs of 10 and there's all different sizes. There's a key fob size. There's also quite large sizes that I throw purses and things into as well. And all I did was have a rubber stamp made. I believe this cost me like around 40 bucks. What I do is I use this Sureprint ink. I got this from the stamp maker. And I do not personally have an ink pad that is large enough for that stamp. So, because I have done block printing and stuff before, I just use, this is just a glass cutting board from the dollar store. And I just get a little brayer loaded up with that. And the nice thing about this ink is it dries pretty much instantly as soon as you stamp it, and it doesn't go through to the other side. So you don't have to put a piece of paper or anything into your bag. Whoops, and that's it. It's done. It's nice and clean on the inside and ready to go. And so what I'll do is I don't know, like every 3 to 6 months or so, I'll just hammer through a big stack of these. It usually takes me maybe about an hour. It's like one of those nice little things you can just shut your brain off and get done. And you're ready to go. You're left with a nice little extra keepsake that costs you less than $1, and your customer appreciates the really nice packaging. That's going to be about it, friends. This is a very short one, I know. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.